Hey everybody, Katria Thiel here from Connected Healing Acupuncture. Today I want to talk to you about an herbal formula that I'm recommending for all of my patients and for anyone who's interested in supporting their immune system and taking a preventative wellness step right now. And that formula would be this guy. Immune Plus is a Chinese herbal formula that has tons and tons of benefit when it comes to preventing illness and supporting your immune system. So overall function of the formula would be to enhance and support immune function. It contains antibacterial and antiviral herbs. So one of the places where Western medicine falls a little bit short is they run into, you either use an antibiotic, or if you have a viral condition, there's really not a whole lot they can do for you. So this is where Chinese medicine really shines, because there are lots of herbs that have antiviral properties. This formula also tonifies or stimulates lung function, which is super important right now as we are facing an upper respiratory virus. And it also helps to strengthen the body's defense mechanism, which who doesn't want a little bit more of that right now? It helps to upregulate white blood cell function, and white blood cells are a crucial part of the immune response. And it also inhibits growth of bacteria and viruses that have entered the body. So that's pretty major, because we can't always control. We do our best to control what we can come into contact with, but we are human and we can't control for all variables. So the likelihood of getting exposed to some type of a pathogen at some point in the future is very high. So what you can do then is use formulas like Immune Plus to help inhibit the growth of bacteria and viruses that may enter your body. Another cool thing that this formula does is it helps to fortify your energy and your life force. So when you're talking about dealing with a pathogen, what happens is there ends up being a bit of a battle between the strength of your body and the strength of the pathogen. So the more that you're able to strengthen your own defense and your foundational energy and your life force energy, the lesser the chance that the pathogen is going to be able to really take over in a big way. So that is super important, to be able to do whatever you can to support your body in its ability to resist and address any pathogen that may enter. One more thing that this formula does that's super amazing is it also helps to expel any lingering pathogens. So Chinese medicine talks about this a lot, and I think that this is an area where Western medicine is starting to catch up a little bit. We're starting to be able to talk more about and prove that there are pathogens that can linger within the body. So they may go dormant, they may be non-symptomatic, they are still present within our bodies though. And what can happen is they'll take any opportunity to rise up and create symptoms of an illness. So this formula can also help to expel those lingering pathogens that are inside your body, so they don't have the opportunity to get bigger and take over and make you sick. This is also really helpful because you want to be doing whatever you can to lighten your body's load so that your immune system can be functioning really strong. And if you're sort of fighting a low-grade pathogen but kind of below the surface, like you're maybe operating at 80% instead of 100, if you can kick that pathogen out, you're much more likely to get closer to optimal function, which is the goal. So this formula is, like I said, the one that I'm recommending that everybody be on as a preventative step in this time. If you have questions or you would like to know how to get your hands on this formula, you can reach out to me at connectedhealingllc@gmail.com, and I will happily point you in the right direction.